Hi my YouTube friends, today I am going to show you the starting journey with virtual DJ with its starter layout. Now I am beginning the journey with virtual DJ. To do it, you have to download the virtual DJ exe file at first according to your machine. I have done so and now I am opening the virtual DJ software. I have opened it. See, after opening, this type of format is showing and the songs are here. I have turned it here from drive. You can drag it off here, and I am loading the songs to the decks. In the starter option there are two decks. I am doing so. I am loading the songs. From here I am going to start recording. I am going to save the audio files. I have started and it is waiting because I have not started my song. As soon as I start my song, then it will start recording. See, all is here. Here I am selecting the option WAV option because WAV gives you the best sound quality, and I am doing so. Selecting the WAV file format, I am saving this. See, my name is already here and I am changing this and doing something and save. See, and here you can see this here is desktop and save, and recording is still waiting here. Recording is still waiting because I have not started my song. I have not started my song. As soon as I start my song, then it will start recording. And see here, see, I have started my song and it is going to record that. See, file format is here, main file format, and WAV is the best. And see, the recording is going on. You can see this recording is going on. Second day, and here going on, and this one again, and here, and as I have stored my bar, second day the first day is intact, and then I start my bar the first day, second day. Stopped. The second song is going on. The second song is going on. Stop my recording. Left already with the same name. Bye bye.